Alright, Kawasaki forums, ZX forums, Predator Facebook page. It's Alex Lexus, the ZX Predator, coming at you with another video. Special shout out to Herbert Brown. He, for those of you who follow the channel, you already know what's in here. But he did me a great favor, so I will make sure that I have his watermark in the video, and we're gonna, hopefully do some more stuff. So this is custom for Zeus. So as you know, another shout out to photoworksandmore.com. Edwin, who did my t-shirts, he's down at Fort Lee, Virginia. I'll be going through him, or more local, Hollywood, the Booster Killer, to make our shirts. Yeah, Hollywood, I'm calling on you, brother, because soldiers help soldiers, right? So yeah, bear with me, I'm doing this with one hand. But Herbert Brown, it has a very customized gig that he does. So this is, I'm gonna see if I can do this in parts, but I hate being gimped with one hand. But here we go. I'm gonna see if I can power this thing up tonight. And Ace is all up in the video. Back up. Wow. Yeah, here we go. The unboxing of Zeus's new face. Alright, so I see some wires and stuff, so let's take a quick in. Okay, resuming the video. So let's see. So make sure the link will be provided in the description below. And I want to give a shout out to all of you guys who actually gave me the surge in subscriptions, because I'm going to do the 15K giveaway. I'm going to be working between either Motorcycle Mall or Cycle Gear with gift cards for that 15,000. Come, you have to see this. I got my sister here doing her academics, but here we go. Zeus's new face. Wow, he did it just like my artwork. Wow. What? So here's a power cord, because this thing does light up. So I'm pretty sure there's a power box converter. Oh wow, he hit it really well. Fine craftsmanship. Okay. Very smooth, and it's just like the t-shirt. So when you see Zeus rolling down the street, you're gonna see the face, and oh wow. Come, what do you think? This. So with that, I got the power box. I'm gonna see if there's anything else left in it, but I'm gonna hold it up to the light. He did that really well. Really well. That's scary. Wow, I'm like almost inclined to put that on right now, but he did a good job with the clear coat and everything. Very nice finish. That was my concern. I was like, how is this gonna be hidden in the back? But he really, it's seamless. So I was wondering if there's gonna be wires in the back and yada yada, but he did really good. But that's the unboxing for the custom Zeus face. We're taking the Predator channel to new heights in all things custom. So you'll see the link in the description below. Shout out to Mr. Brown for hooking me up. This has been Alex Lexus, ZX Predator Forums, ZX Forums, Predator's owners page. Shout out to Mr. Herbert Brown of Deucemoto. This thing is installed. Zeus's new face. Alright, it kind of looks like this bad boy over here. So with that, one thing I will say, you have to get a controller with it, because as you saw with my lights, it's not going to be compatible. So I wanted it to, like, when it strobed, the headlight, the windscreen probed and all that, but that kind of sucks. That's really a downer. But with that being said, I mean, I am very grateful for the work that was done. one of a kind, and this lets you know that I am the official Predator, as I go by on the Instagram page. So they're often imitated but never duplicated, so it's just me. So with that, we're gonna do a little test. Man, that looks insane. At night, this thing is gonna be massive. When somebody sees me pull up behind them, like on the parkway and stuff, that's gonna be like something. So this is it. Zeus's face. And you know, September 14th, Predator 2018. There was some information that popped up on that movie, because apparently there's a 10-foot Predator, and there's some smaller Predators that do parkour, and there's another. I had no idea it was gonna be that serious, but you know, yeah, the Predator 2018 is in full effect. Zeus's face, I can ride around with it like that, and the windscreen's a little bit raised as opposed to the stock OEM one. And also, if you have that spacer, the Kawasaki spacer, you have to take that out for the sake of room, because when it is lit, it doesn't obscure your vision. So with it lit, nice and dark, you know. So as of right now, my artwork was transferred over. Mr. Herbert Brown is very talented, so you have to check him out. Deucemoto, Predator Zeus in the building in full effect. Alright, so make sure you rate, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And shout out to everybody that's been giving me the surge. We're doing the 15K giveaway. We're 500 subs off the mark. We're close. Predator in the building. Peace.